Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with shower skylight, stainless sink, living room fireplace, rear living area, flush mount gas range cover, full walk-in closet, mirrored wardrobe doors, entertainment center, hide-a-bed sofa, triple slides, vanity with sink, bedroom television, washer and dryer prepped, 3-burner range, decorative kitchen backsplash, dual lights over headboard, king-size bed, theater seat for 2 with cup holders, overhead kitchen storage, automatic levelers, LED interior lighting, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, outside speakers, high-rise faucet, outside shower, carbon monoxide detector, electric awning with LED lights, kitchen pantry, outside kitchen refrigerator, bathroom cabinet with mirror, solid surface kitchen countertops, ducted AC, bedroom dresser, freestanding table with chairs, cable TV hookup, front bedroom, counter peninsula, bathroom sink, roof ladder, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, convection microwave, bedside power outlets, nightshades, designer headboard, bathroom toilet, ceiling fan, AM FM CD DVD player, outside kitchen sink, linen cabinet, 3-door refrigerator, sleeps up to 4 people. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.